It's a familiar refrain heard in the entertainment industry. Lights, camera, dragon puppet?
Good morning, Friday. It's Friday.
It's Friday. Happy Friday, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's only how it goes in this Fort Worth TV studio. It's Friday morning, or Frido, as Cooper the baby dragon likes to say, which means it's time for Supply and Command, a children's art show with a unique perspective. The whole thing is filmed and broadcast exclusively inside Cook Children's Hospital.
Good morning to all of you guys out in the hospital. You are here with your favorite baby dragon.
And artist princess.
Yes, and artist princess, Diana. He and I co-host the show, and the kids up in the room can give us a call, and they give us a command of anything they want us to make for them. It could be anything, and we make it right there on the spot. So they could call down and say, I want a unicorn riding a bicycle eating a banana, and we make it happen. We have clay, we have paint, we have jewels. Tell us anything in the world you want us to make for you, and we'll make it for you.
It's Diana Gibson's job to grant artistic wishes for kids in the hospital. When she's not on TV, she's rolling her supply cart up and down the halls, bringing art materials to the patients here. It's a form of therapy that she understands firsthand.
Whenever I was a little girl, I was in the hospital, and my mom, the only way she could get me to go was telling me that there was going to be an art lady in the waiting room. So I went, and she would do art with me in the waiting room, and the rest would be fine because I was looking forward to that 1 hour with her. I like how you're using your brush strokes and going all over the page too. There's no like one direction, you know? A lot of times when I go to see the kids, they're in a moment of fear. They're in a moment of anxiety, depression, pain a lot of times. And so my goal when I go in there is to take that and set it aside. Very nice. I love it. So the next step is the tree, huh?
Mm-hmm. Diana's art sessions, the TV programs, these are just the tip of an iceberg called Carpe, the Creative Artist in Residence program. From sculpting to singing to storytelling and more, children here can express their own creativity with the help from an entire team of trained artists, all under the direction of Carrie Ann Wanta-Howitz.
Hi, Brittany. How are you today? We know that those kinds of opportunities can help reduce stress and anxiety and fear and hopefully enhance the treatment that we're giving the kids. So our program is entirely donated funds. We provide all of our services free of charge. Children are so wonderful because they're so open, they're so free, they're so imaginative. They're never afraid to tell you what they think, what their opinion is, and to create a story. And I think that's really special. When you get here, we take control. We tell you what to do, when to do it. We interrupt your sleep. There's no privacy. So it can be really difficult and challenging. Hospitals are scary for people of all ages, so you can imagine if you're 3. So anything we can do to make it a place where they feel more comfortable.
And it's not just the patients who have lost control. Parents at Cook Hospital are facing their worst nightmare, the loss of their child. Jody Koch and her daughter Kennedy live in a world consumed by cancer treatment.
Other than being told that your child has passed away, being told your child has cancer has to be the second worst thing you could ever hear. It's very hard on you as a parent. I have a job that I love, and I haven't worked since November. And my whole world is pediatric oncology.
Kennedy's diagnosis has been a constant struggle, but thanks to Carpe, under the bright blue peaks of this hospital, even a kid with cancer is, first and foremost, a kid.
With my daughter, this is all she knows, and she calls it the castle because it's the whole theme is to look like a castle. This is our fun day. Like, this is a day where she can just kind of be a kid and get to do, I think, way more cool things than other kids get to do. It helps me to feel comforted that she's still getting so many enriching experiences.
It's a magical place, and at any time you can see little princesses and fairies and girls in butterfly wings and little boys in superhero costumes. These kids are incredibly strong, and they tackle these things with such bravery, sometimes better than adults.
Is pink your favorite color or purple? You like pink? We might have a special surprise for you.
They are little heroes in my eyes, but it's amazing to see them be both a child and a warrior at the same time.
There is magic in this hospital, and it goes by the name of Carpe. Children who were refusing medicine suddenly cooperate with the nurse. Parents smile for the first time in months. Even their legacy artwork, created by patients who won't survive their illness, become a cherished memento from lives cut short.
And some of those children knew that they weren't going to be here. Some of those children knew that they were leaving that for other kids and other patients and other families.
It's tough. It's not a job for everyone. And a lot of people that come here seeing my job and seeing it from the outside, they're like, oh, I want to do that. That looks amazing and that looks so fun. And it is. It is amazing and it is fun, but it comes with a heavy heart.
It's up and down. It's a balance. But at the end of the day, we always feel good about the work we did, and we always come back for more.
You look like a ballerina with wings and a crown. Can you play with me? Okay. You can sing if you want to, but you don't have to, okay? Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Every day, Carpe touches precious, fragile lives fighting for survival. That struggle is when these caretakers are needed most. And through the power of a paintbrush or the spell of a song, they're helping a little light twinkle in the darkness.
A lot of times they've come back to me and said, that moment was the one that gave me the strength to keep going. So if I can get that kind of feedback that the art that I'm providing is helping their hearts, then I mean, that's all I need. I'll keep doing it forever.
We're never going to be a normal family, but I'm not afraid of her cancer anymore.
It's a mission. It's a lifelong mission.
Twinkle.